Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back on behalf of Postcard Tycoon. Just left my mailbox. Just wanted to show you guys a proof payment I received for Postcard Tycoon. And I wanted to welcome Michelle to Postcard Tycoon. Here is a money order I received. As you can see, it's dated 2/7 from WTM Pub. And it's to me for $300 for the Postcard Tycoon, guys. You do receive a website with this program. That's what I like about it. You can market this business online and you can market it offline, okay? So that's the good thing about it. With Postcard Tycoon, you're going to receive in your kit, guys, 250 postcards and 250 names, okay? I'm on the website and you can check it out as well. I'm going to put the link below for it, but as you can see, it explains everything right here to you. So you're going to receive 250 postcards and 250 leads, and in every fifth sale, the company is going to give you 500 free postcards and 500 names and 500 stamps, okay? So that's what they call the 5 for life, okay? So this is a cool program I joined back in 2016. Okay, and people are still interested in the Tycoon because you receive $300 commissions. I want you to check out this audio real quick.
Welcome to the Postcard Tycoon information line. Postcard Tycoon is a complete, all-inclusive business package containing everything needed to generate multiple income streams, yet is so easy that it can be run simply by mailing postcards, leading to a website provided to you that can put $300 in your pocket from each and every sale. You don't need a computer to make money with Postcard Tycoon. The website helps make the sale, and you get your $300 payments in the mail so fast, you'll think your mailbox was your own personal ATM machine. That's right, $300 payments sent directly to you on every sale. Postcard Tycoon does this without any confusing multi-level matrix plans where you have to be a genius just to figure out how and when you get paid, if ever. Our business is based on simplicity. You make a sale, you get paid $300 each and every time, period. Simplicity is beautiful and profitable. Here's more good news. You are awarded bonuses in our 5 for Life incentive program, which gives you 500 free stamps, 500 free postcards, and 500 free names on every 5th sale you make, in addition to your regular $300 payments. With our bonus program, it is entirely possible for you to run your Postcard Tycoon business perpetually without having to spend on postage, postcards, or names again. Postcard Tycoon is a business that is carefully structured to put you first. Our bonus program just mentioned is an example of what we do for you. WTM Publications does not make any money unless you do. So we make it as easy for you as possible. How about that beautiful full-color postcard you got in the mail? If you don't want to wait until you earn a 5 for Life bonus award, you can buy more customized cards with your website information starting at less than 9 cents, but priced as low as 4 cents in quantity. You can't even get a black and white one-sided copy for less than a dime nowadays. Carefully compare our offer to others, and the differences quickly become evident. You will see that they charge so much more for supplies like postcards simply because they do not care about you and they make a living off you buying their supplies. When you get your Postcard Tycoon business package, we include 250 postcards and names ready for you to get started immediately. Our bonus program delivers packets of 500 cards, 500 names, and 500 stamps post-paid to your door free on every 5th sale. All you have to do is put them in the mail. No other business offers you the opportunity to make repeated $300 profits plus bonus awards with 5 for Life on every 5th sale. Only Postcard Tycoon. You could possibly generate $10,000 or more per month, and the hardest thing you'll ever do is just mail out your personalized postcard. Postcard Tycoon is one of the most affordable businesses in America. A tiny 1% return from your included 250 postcard starter pack, 2 sales pays for this business. Can you think of another business that pays for itself so quickly? It is impossible to fully describe this incredible business in this recording. You need to either go to the website on the postcard you received or send for the complete report from the address on the postcard. Get started today, and in about 12 months, you could be retired and living your dreams. We look forward to working with you.
All right, guys, you heard it. Postcard Tycoon. Another payment. Okay, so if you're interested in Tycoon, I'm going to put that link below so you can actually go straight to the website, and feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to answer any questions, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.